How to disable antivirus on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can disable the antivirus on Windows 10. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can just follow up this method and disable the antivirus on your Windows 10 as well. So for that, go to the search bar in your Windows and type in Windows Security in the search bar. Once you do that, go ahead and open it up on your device. And once you open it up, you'll be finding this section, this security. So once you're here, you can find this dismiss option. You can directly use that option in order to dismiss it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up here, you'll be finding different options available. So you can go to the virus and threat protection settings, this one right here, and go to manage settings. And here you'll be finding different protection available. You just need to go ahead and disable each of these options available from right here. And once you do that, it would disable all the protection from your device. And you can download all of the third-party applications. So therefore, that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching.